in what ratio the line segment joining the points -2, -3 and 4, 5 is divided by x-axis. Also, find the coordinates of the point of division. Here we have to find out in what ratio the line segment joining the points -2, -3 and 4, 5 is divided by x-axis. Let point R divides AB in the ratio k:1. Then using section formula, we will find coordinates of R. K will get multiplied this side and 1 will get multiplied this side. So coordinates of R are 4k, k is multiplied here, 1 into -2, -2 divided by k plus 1, and 5k -3 divided by k plus 1. Now this point can lie anywhere on this line segment, but we want this point to lie on x-axis because we want x-axis to cut AB. If point R lies on x-axis, then y is 0. This implies 5k -3 upon k plus 1 is 0. This implies k equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, ratio is 3 by 5 is to 1, that is 3 is to 5. Now to find coordinates of point of division, we put k equal to 3 by 5 in 1, point of division is, we substitute value of k in 1, so we get 4 into 3 by 5 minus 2 divided by 3 by 5 plus 1 comma 0, that is 1 by 4 comma 0.